Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video, I'm gonna show different unique and stylish stone decoration ideas, beautiful stone painting, and it's very classy and amazing. And I hope you like it. Then you like it, viewers. So please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon, viewers. And please share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel. And you can see it's very colorful and beautiful stones painting art stone for kids, rocks, art, and etc. And it's very classy and stylish. So do not forget my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye. See you soon.